Hello everyone, this is Rahul from OPUS. Here we are going to solve this question which states draw a hand holding a wine glass. So it's basically this question basically wants to see whether you are aware of the finger gestures when it holds a glass, particularly a wine glass. Okay, so there is a particular gesture in which the finger wraps around that glass. So the question generally tests whether you are aware of it. So let's first draw the glass. So we will draw the glass in its correct symmetry first. Like this. And then draw the lower portion. So once we have that glass ready, then we can draw that hand that would wrap around this entire glass. So we will start with the basic shape. Very basic shapes of the fingers, like this. The smallest finger in this manner. Here. So you see that entire shape of the hand has been drawn first. Okay, and just in basic form. After this, you can give slight indication of the hand anatomy, which would give more strength to your sketch like this. So you see, this is how you need to draw and solve question like this, and then you can add certain directional strokes which would help you create that like likability needed for this for the solution of this drawing. Okay, so I hope you understood how to solve question like this. Keep practicing in various other hand forms, holding various other objects, and that will help improve your drawing sense. Thank you.